So a question that I get asked a lot is, how do I generate leads using Google? What are your thoughts, James?
Yeah, so Google obviously is the most used search engine in the world. There's a lot of people that go there looking for answers or looking for lists of companies for services of what you might be offering. So if you're looking to generate more leads, Google, in my opinion, is the number one place you should start off with trying to optimize for. I would personally recommend in teaming up with a professional SEO agency that can help you, even if it's there just being the architects of what you need to do in giving you a plan, like a topical map for what pages and what backlinks you might need for your own website. I'd also be trying to team up with a professional lead generation agency that uses Google SEO and organic rankings to generate your leads, or also using Google for PPC as well and paying to be at the top. It can be expensive in doing this, but it can get you fast leads. So if you're looking for instant leads, PPC is the best option. If you're looking to generate your own leads, then trying to hire a professional SEO agency. Or if you're uncertain about PPC or SEO and you're not certain what to do, then just outsource it to a professional lead generation company and say that you want the leads coming from Google and you're wanting to have organic rankings for specific keywords of what makes you the most money.
And then one final question, because you've obviously used Facebook ads before, you've done YouTube, you've done Facebook organic, Twitter, etc. Why would someone specifically be looking for leads being generated via Google? Is the conversion rates higher? Is the cost per acquisition lower? What's the case?
That's a great question, because generally speaking, if you're using interrupting marketing, so if you're using like social media ads, someone's not going out of their way to go and search for the service or product of what you're offering. So generally speaking, social media, like Facebook ads and Twitter ads and YouTube ads and stuff like that, converts a lot less than what someone would be if they're going out of their way to go and search in Google for a specific product or service. There's a lot more intent behind that. So in my opinion, in hundreds of different industries, Google leads, or leads that you generate from Google search, would always bring a higher conversion rate than it would versus social media.
So that's been our video on how to generate more leads using Google. If you guys do have any questions, if you feel like we didn't cover certain things, drop it down below and we will do a separate video. Thanks for watching.